Forgotten username recovery failed on Snoop Fix. If you're trying to recover your username on Snoop and keep running into errors, you're not alone. Most users get this wrong because Snoop doesn't actually use a traditional username system. Instead, your login and recovery are managed through your registered email or phone number, and that's the key to fixing this issue fast. When your recovery attempt fails, it usually means the app can't match your email or phone number with an existing account. To fix this, open the Snoop app or website and click on Forgot Your Details. Enter your registered email address. Snoop will send a recovery or verification link directly to your inbox. Once you click it, you'll be able to log back in securely. If you don't receive the email, double-check it. Your spam or junk folder. Automated recovery emails often get stuck there. Still nothing? Try using another email you might have used when signing up. Searching your inbox for older Snoop messages can also confirm which email is linked to your account. If you no longer have access to that email, contact Snoop's customer support team. Provide some basic details like your name, date of birth, and any connected bank account information. After verifying your identity, they'll help restore your access safely. The surprising truth is that Snoop was built with simplicity in mind. That means fewer logins, no complex usernames, and direct access to your verified contact details. So if your forgotten username recovery failed, it's likely just a mismatch in your recovery info. Use your registered email, follow the secure link, and you'll be back to tracking your finances and insights in no time.